We're at the 2018 Aerospace maintenance competition in Orlando, Florida. Yeah, it's been a good experience. Everybody worked together real well. It's different from what we normally do because everything's timed like in 15 minutes or less. It was a very good experience, and it was a good learning experience for me. If you ever have the opportunity to come to this, I encourage you to go because you do learn quite a bit. It's a good training environment. The best thing about being on the competition team was I got to meet different UPS AMDs, and then we worked well together. So we had a good time doing our tasks. Then also we learned a lot together. Well, the competition, there's a lot of young people here too, and a lot of military people. We got to talk with a lot of them and just learn different things about the whole industry.
I work in aircraft maintenance training, so some of the events that had aircraft simulations and virtual reality I found to be the most interesting. Most of the vendors here are showcasing their cutting-edge equipment and technology, and it's great to be able to see the future of aviation on display.